Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw on your picture on the Photoleap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the Edit Photo button at the upper side of the screen and select a picture from your gallery. You go to the transform button, also the colorize button at the upper side of the screen, and if you pile the line on the scale, you can edit the size of your brush, and you can draw on your picture, and in the eraser you can delete this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.